Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you some facts about the Colobus monkey. Colobus monkeys are easily identifiable by their beautiful white and black shiny coat. Unlike most monkeys, which are fairly omnivorous, Colobus monkeys primarily eat high-protein leaves and shoots. Did you know that the colobus is the most arboreal of all African monkeys? This means that they spend most of their time in trees. They are capable of eating toxic plants as their complex stomachs enable them to digest them. Colobus monkeys live in territorial troops of 8 to 15 monkeys, a dominant male, several females, and their young. I got such a great experience in Mombasa, extremely close to a mother colobus and her baby. She even kissed him twice. This is nature at its best. You can find different species of colobuses all over Africa. They are native to more than 15 African countries. The two species of black and white Colobus monkeys are found in Kenya, those that inhabit coastal forests and those in inland high country areas. They used to be poached for their skin, but the great news is that their populations are rising. Comment down below if you've ever seen a Colobus monkey in the wild. Thanks for watching.